Hello students, let us continue our classes with exercise 6b. Question number 1. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 4x centimeter and 2x minus 1 centimeter. If the area of the triangle is 30 square centimeter, calculate the length of its sides. Draw a right angle triangle, name it as ABC. Angle C is marked as right angle. Now let us relate the given statement for the diagram what we have drawn with triangle ABC. The first sentence says that the sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle. So in the diagram what we have drawn, the sides containing the right angle are AC and BC. So let ACB is equal to 4x and BC be equal to 2x minus 1 centimeter. And the area of this triangle ABC is given as 30 square centimeter. We need to find out what is the measurement of its sides. That means value of AB, BC and CA. Area of a right angle triangle formula is half into base into height. Base and height or the sides containing the right angle. So in this problem, area is equal to half into AC into BC. Move to the next slide for the calculation. In the place of area, substitute 30, which is given in the question, half into the product of remaining two sides, 4x into 2x minus 1. After simplification, you will get a quadratic equation 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. Then value of x is 3 or minus 5 by 2. Negative values cannot be considered for the sides of a triangle. So neglect the negative value. Consider the positive value. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, that means AC, that is 4x is equal to 12 centimeter. And BC is equal to 2x minus 1, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Now in a triangle there are three sides. We have calculated the measure of two sides AC and BC. Now what is remaining? The measure of the side AB, which is nothing but hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Find out the value of AB, that is equal to plus or minus 13. As I told you, sides of a triangle measurement cannot be negative. So neglect the negative, consider only the positive value. AB is equal to 13. Write the conclusion that therefore the sides of the triangle are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Question number 2. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 centimeter and the sum of the other two sides is 34 centimeter. Find the length of its sides. This problem is little bit similar to the previous one. It is based on right angle triangle as we did in the first question. First let us draw the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, it is right angled at angle C. That means AB is the hypotenuse. The question says that the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 centimeter. That is AB is equal to 26 centimeter. Which are the other two sides? The other two sides are AC and BC. Sum of the other two sides is equal to 34. This is the given information. Side of two sides of right angle triangle, that is AC and BC, its sum is 34 and the hypotenuse AB is equal to 26. Now we need to find out the measure of each side. We don't know what is AC and what is BC. Its sum is given as 34. So let us consider in this way. If AC is equal to x, then what is the measure of BC? BC will be equal to 34 minus x. Move to the next slide. According to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. procedure is same, application of theorem is same. Only thing is here the new thing which you need to identify is the sum of the two sides is given. So when sum of the two sides is given, how to proceed with the problem? Consider any one side as x, so the difference with the total will be the length of the other side. Now we have two values after simplification, both are positive, so express your answers in both the way. If x is 24, then 34 minus x is 10. Or if x is 10, then 34 minus x is 24. Therefore, the required sides of a triangle are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter, or vice versa. Question number 3. The sides of a right angle triangle are x minus 1 centimeter, 3x centimeter and 3x plus 1 centimeter. Find the value of x, the length of its sides and its area. It is not necessary to draw the diagram for all the diagram. It is an optional one. If it is required, you can draw and continue, or you can do it as given in the question by considering the measurements also. So here it is clearly mentioned that the sides of a right angle triangle are x minus 1 centimeter, 3x centimeter and 3x plus 1 centimeter. According to the properties of a right angle triangle, it is well known to us that hypotenuse is the greatest side or the longest side in a triangle. So among these three values, x minus 1, 3x and 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 is the greatest. So that means to say 3x plus 1 is the measure of the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So the measure of remaining two sides are x minus 1 and 3x. As we did in the first two problems, similarly move to the next slide, apply the Pythagoras theorem. Only one thing which you need to notice here is it is not mentioned in that problem which is hypotenuse. Measure of all the three sides of a triangle are given. So as it is well known to us that hypotenuse is the greatest side, so among the given three measure one, identify which is the greatest or the longest side, that is called as hypotenuse. After simplification, value of x will be equal to 0 or 8. 0 cannot be possible, so consider the positive value, it is 8. In the question, it is clearly mentioned to find the three sub-questions. So represent your answer in the same way. Sub-question 1, the value of x is equal to 8. The sub-question 2, length of its sides. So it is said as 3x, that means 24, x minus 1, that means 7 centimeter, 3x plus 1, that means 25 centimeter, and area. How to find out the area? Already we have done in the first problem, that is area of a right angle triangle is equal to half into the product of the two sides which contains the right angle. In other way, the product of two sides other than the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will not be considered to find out the area. So half into 7 into 24. So the value of area will be equal to 84 square centimeter. Question number 4. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter and the other side by 18 centimeter. Find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Understand this question with the clue box which is given in the slide, children. First sentence is hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter. So I have written in the form of an equation. Hypotenuse is equal to measure of one side plus 1. Similarly, it exceeds the other side by 18 centimeter. So hypotenuse is equal to measure of the other side of the triangle plus 18. So this equation can be represented as in such a way that measure of one side of a triangle can be equal to hypotenuse minus 1. Similarly, measure of the other side of a triangle can be equal to hypotenuse minus 18. This is just a clue box to make you to understand the question. Do not copy this to your classwork. So with the clue box, what did we come to know? That if we know the measure of hypotenuse, it is easy to find the measure of other two sides. So proceed in such a way that let the hypotenuse of a triangle be equal to x, then length of one side will be x minus 1 and the other side will be x minus 18. As we did in the earlier problem, consider the Pythagoras theorem. X square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 18 whole square. Substitute the values, find out the value of x as 13 or 25. So when x is 13, x minus 18 will be equal to minus 5. It is not possible to consider the negative value. So consider only the positive value x as 25. So the lengths of the sides of the triangle will be x 25 centimeter, x minus 1 24 centimeter and x minus 18 7 centimeter. Question number 5. The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than its shorter side, and the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the rectangle. So we have three sides. One is shorter, one is longer, or it can be also called as larger, and then the other one is the diagonal. So it is clearly mentioned in the question that diagonal is 60 meter more than shorter side, and the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So diagonal as well as one side of a rectangle is defined based on the shorter side. So let us proceed with the problem in such a way that let the shorter side be x. In this example, BC is mentioned as x. Then what is the length of the other side? As it is stated in the question that it is 30 meter more than the shorter side. That means x plus 30 meter. And AC diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side, that is x plus 60. As we know that in a rectangle also the angles of a rectangle will be equal to 90 degree. Consider the triangle ABC. By applying Pythagoras theorem, find out the value of x, that is equal to 90. Therefore the sides of the rectangle are x is equal to 90 centimeter and x plus 30 is equal to 120 centimeter. By this we have completed first 5 problems of exercise 6B. Thank you. Have a nice day.